In today's video, I'm going to teach you the basics of Google Forms, how to create, title, and save a Google form directly within Google Drive. Whether you're gathering RSVPs for an event, collecting feedback, or setting up a survey, Google Forms is a fantastic tool that's both powerful and easy to use. Let's dive right in. First, we'll need to navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for Google Drive. If you're not already signed into your Google account, go ahead and do so now. Once you're in your Google Drive homepage, you should see the familiar interface you're used to, with all your files and folders displayed. The next step is to create a new Google form. To do this, look towards the upper left corner of the screen where you'll find a button labeled New. This button is your gateway to creating new documents, spreadsheets, and more. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. Among the options listed, you'll see Google Forms. Selecting this option will take you straight into the form creation page. Now that you've opened Google Forms, you can start designing your form. You'll notice that the interface is clean and user-friendly, making it easy even for beginners to use. The first thing you may want to do is give your form a title. Simply click on the area that says Untitled Form and type your desired title. You might want this title to reflect the purpose of your form clearly, perhaps something straightforward like Event Feedback Form or New Employee Questionnaire. After titling your form, you can begin editing it to suit your needs. You can add various types of questions by clicking on the plus icon, such as multiple choice questions, short answer fields, or even a drop-down menu for more complex options. Take some time to explore the different question types and see which ones fit your form's purposes best. Once you've configured your questions, there's one more crucial aspect to be aware of: saving your form. The beauty of Google Forms, along with other Google applications, is its auto-save feature. As you're creating your form, Google will automatically save your changes. You'll notice in the upper left corner near the title that says All Changes Saved in Drive. This reassuring message means that every edit you make is instantly saved to your Google Drive, ensuring that your progress is never lost. And that's it. You've successfully created, titled, and saved a Google form in Google Drive. Now you're ready to share it with others and start collecting responses. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to experiment and explore more Google Forms features as you become more familiar with this versatile tool.